In this video, we will learn about the OpsHub Integration Manager dashboard. The OIM dashboard allows you to check the health of integrations and also allows you to navigate directly to the integration system and failures. To go to the dashboard, you first need to log into OpsHub Integration Manager. Thereafter, the dashboard will appear as the home page. Click the icon shown on the screen to rotate the graphical representation of the integration. Click the zoom in and zoom out icons at the bottom to zoom in and zoom out of the graph. The circular node represents systems created in OpsHub Integration Manager. The rectangular nodes represent the two systems that are connected through integration. Click on the rectangular node to view integrations in read-only mode. The color of the node also represents the status of the integration. The green color indicates an active integration. The gray color indicates an inactive integration. The orange color indicates that the integration has processing failures. And the red color indicates that there are job failures in the integration. The graph shown on the screen gives a complete view of all integrations across folders. You can filter the integrations according to the system and integration status. Click the funnel icon to view the filter option. Select the system and select the integration status. The status options are all, active, inactive, and in error. Select one of the statuses and click the filter button. You can try different combinations of systems and statuses. For example, if you want to view all the active integrations that are configured with Jira, then you can select Jira as the system filter and active as the integration status filter. To view all integrations and clear the filters added, click the clear button. You can navigate to a system and integration as well as failures from the dashboard. Click the system icon to access the system page. You can also check the integration failures, the global failures as well as the processing failures by following the actions shown on the screen. Click the global failures icon to access global failures. Click the processing failures icon to access the processing failures. You can click the integration name to navigate to the integration screen. Thank you for watching this video.